Now we are discussing about potentiometric transducer. We already discussed potentiometer is used to change the resistance. Potentiometers we have seen in the laboratories. Here it is an electromechanical transducer. In this we have, this is a rheostat. Example you have studied in first year. This is wire wound rheostat. Wire is wounded across the rheostat. Nichrome wire generally we use. This might be linear or rotary. You see, like a semicircle. Now, this is wiper. When the wiper is moving from this end to this end, the resistance is changing of this rheostat. That resistance is observed, so that between terminals A and B, when the wiper is moving, resistance is changing. Because resistance is changing, voltage is also changing. Similarly, this we use for the linear displacement measurement. How much it is moving. Example, in your fuel tanks, if it is moving from this to this, then resistance changes and then voltage changes, your needle deflects. That's how you come to know, okay, petrol fuel is filling up. Similarly, here, this is a angular displacement. This is how we operate our needles in the bikes. Analog, nowadays digital meters are there. When it is moving from this to this, you can observe in the bikes, speedometer moves from the analog speedometers I am talking. Nowadays all are digital. So when the vehicle is moving with higher speed, then this needle deflects from this to this. When the speed is reduced, then the needle again deflects back. This is called as angular displacement. This is linear displacement and this is angular displacement. So in two ways we can operate the wiper. We can move the wiper linearly or we can move the wiper angularly. Like your clock, needle is moving angularly. Now the working principle we try to understand. We generally power up this by using DC or AC. Whenever we are moving the wiper, accordingly the resistance is changing, thereby voltage is changing. So this we use for the linear displacement measurement. And if we want to measure the angular displacement, then when the wiper is moving from this to this, accordingly resistance is changing between these two terminals and thereby voltage is changing. That's how we measure the angular displacement. Generally, we use this potentiometer for the control applications. After a particular point, automatically it should be, example, water level indicator. After a particular outer level, the motor should be turned off automatically. Okay, there we can use controlling applications. After a particular speed, we are expecting the speed should not increase and the accelerator should not increase much. Some conditions we may put. And similarly in error sensors. In error sensors also we use this. And in measurement of pressure and displacement we use this one. This is how potentiometer transducer works.